Hello all, welcome back to Monitani's channel. In this video, I want to make soft gingerbread. This is my favorite winter cake and I make it during Christmas time every year. Let's check the ingredient. 100 gram mixed candied fruit, 30 gram of raisin, 30 gram of melon seed, and I use also 30 gram chopped walnut. 165 gram of brown sugar, but white sugar also fine, half cup of soft butter, and 2 eggs, 3 cup of flour, and 1 cup of milk. For this cake, I use some spices, which are a quarter of tablespoon of nutmeg powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, a quarter tablespoon of clove, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of soda dissolved with 1/4 of warm water. Now let's mix the dry ingredients. In large bowl, let's mix flour with the ginger powder, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, and clove powder. We mix them all until all combine. And for the soda, let's dissolve with 1/4 of warm water. Mix until it dissolves. In the mixing bowl, add half cup of butter, 160 gram of brown sugar, and 2 eggs. Also add 3 tablespoons of honey. We mix until all combine. We can use medium speed for this. Then when all already mixed well, we add flour and also the milk little by little and take turn. Do it until the flour and the milk all finish. Don't forget to add the this soft soda water. When all the ingredients all combine well, it is time for us to put the dry fruits and nuts. We add dry candied fruits, the raisin, the melon seed, and also the chopped walnuts. Then we mix them well. I use the ice cream scoop to put the ingredient inside the cake mold. You can fill the cake mold just 3/4 because they will grow when they bake. Then we bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, voila! They are baked. It is easy, isn't it? And the cake is very tasty with the smell of Christmas, and I make it every year during the Christmas time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please support me by subscribe my channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.